Hello everyone, Marcel here with GL, and I just have a quick update for you today in regards to PSI. As you may know, states that use PSI for practical testing are going through a lot of changes. There are a lot scheduled for this year. So I just wanted to give you an update as to where we're at and let you know that we're on top of it. As of today, which we're early in March 2026, we've already updated and completed our practical kits for Georgia, Colorado, as of last year. Recently, we updated Kentucky, Maryland, Michigan. Right now, Alabama is scheduled to update in the beginning of May. So we're going to be upgrading our kits probably after the first week of April. In case you missed, we have released a video recently on how to find all of our kits and our kit checklist, which gives you itemized description of what's in our kits. We'll add that again at the end of this video for you to watch just in case. So that's it. Just a quick update. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'll add the email in the description. That's it for today. Thanks.
This is how to navigate our new Search by State tool on our website so you can find everything you need for your exam. First, go to gl.com, then hover over State Board Kits on the left and select State Board Kits by State. Then click Shop by State and it will bring up a list of all state requirements in one easy place. Find your state, then when you click on View Kits, you can select your field of study and it will bring you to the full exam kit we offer. And in the checklist column, you can find the full itemized list of everything that you need for your test. That's it. Thanks for watching.